Hi students, today this topic properties of subtraction. The properties of subtraction, first one closure property. First one closure property. If A and B are integer, then A minus B in addition of properties of addition, here plus coming, here properties of subtraction, so here minus, so then A minus B is if A and B two integers, A and B are integers, then A minus B is always integer. This is called the closure property. Property of subtraction of integer. If A and B are integers, any integer take it, then A minus B is always integer. This is called the closure property of subtraction of integer. This is subtraction. Example, seven minus 4 equal to 3. Yes, 7 having. This is for A value. Next B value minus 4. A minus 4 equal to 3. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 here minus 2. Any integer you take it. Minus 5 minus 2 equal to minus 7. This is closure property. Second one, commutative property. If A and B are two integers, then already you know commutative property for addition, A plus B equal to B plus A. Here A minus B equal to B minus A, but here not equal to. That is commutative property is not true for subtraction. If A and B are two integers, then A minus B not equal to, this is not equal to B minus A. Why A not equal to put it means commutative property is not true for subtraction. Example, you take A1 value, A equal to 4, B equal to 6. A equal to 4, B equal to 6. Here apply 4 minus 6 equal to B minus A. B 6 minus 4. 4 minus 6, here minus 2 coming. 6 minus 4, 2 coming. Here minus 2 equal to 2. This is equal. No, this is not equal. This is for A minus B not equal to B minus A. Commutative property is not true for subtraction. Therefore, the subtraction of integers is not true for commutative. This is commutative property. Third one, associative property. If A, comma B and C, here three integers are then A minus B minus C equal to A minus B minus C. Here not equal to coming. That is associative property not true for subtraction. Associative property, if A, B and C are three integers, you take three integers. This one associative property, this one A minus of B minus C. In property of addition fully plus coming, this one subtraction, so minus coming. A minus of B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. Associative property not true for subtraction. Example, you take three value, A equal to 4, B equal to minus 2, C equal to 3. Then A equal to 4, B equal to minus 2, C equal to 3. Here apply. First this one write it. A minus B minus C equal to A minus B minus C. A value 4 minus B value minus 2. Next minus here 3 having C value. A value 4 minus B value minus 2. Here already minus having, so minus 2. Minus C value 3. 4 minus here minus 2 having, here minus 3 having, so minus 5 equal to here 4, here minus, here also minus, minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 2 minus 3, here minus into minus plus 4 plus 5 equal to 4 plus 2 6, here minus 3 having, 4 plus 5 9 equal to 6 minus 3 3 only. Here 9 having, here 3. This is equal. No, this is what? Not equal. Therefore, subtraction of integer not true for associative. This is for associative property. You take three value, A1 value, B1 value, C value. A minus of B minus C not equal to A minus B of minus C. Associative property not true for subtraction. You take A equal to 4, B equal to minus 2, C equal to 3. This associative property you apply. A equal to 4, B equal to minus 2, C equal to 3. This way coming. Here 4 minus, here minus 2 having minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. 4 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 2. Here minus 3. 4 plus 5. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 5 equal to, here 4 plus 2 6, here minus 3, 6 minus 3 3, 4 plus 5 9, 9 equal to 3. No, not this is not equal. So subtraction of integer not true for associative property. Next one, property of 0, fourth one. Property of 0, when 0 is subtracted and integer we get the same integer, that is a minus 0 equal to a. When 0 is subtracted and integer, we get the same integer. Here take one integer, subtract from 0, same integer coming, that is same integer. Example, 7 minus 0 equal to 7 only coming. Minus 5 minus 0 equal to minus 5 only coming here answer. 8 minus 0 equal to 8. This is for property of 0. Next one, property of 1. This is property of 1. Subtraction of 1 from any integer gives its producers. Example, 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Minus 9 of minus 1 equal to minus 10. Therefore, 8 and minus 10 are producers of both 9 and minus 9. This is for property of 1. This fully 5 properties having properties of subtraction. One for closure property, another second one for commutative property, third one for associative property, fourth one for property of 0, fifth one is property of 1. This fully properties of subtraction. Thank you.